Hi, welcome to mathematics. In this video, we want to solve for m in 4 raised to power m equals 24. That's the solution. We have 4 raised to power m equals 24. So from here, we can introduce log to both sides. If we introduce log to both sides, we are going to have log 4 raised to power m equals log 24. So, but remember that wherever we have log x raised to power y, so this will becomes, taking y forward, we have y log x. So if we apply this to this, we are going to have m log 4 for this, and for the right hand side we are going to have log 24. So from here we can divide both sides by log 4 here, divide both sides by log 4, and here by log 4. So this we cancel this, and we have m equals log 24 divided by log 4. So here we can express, if you look here, we can express 24 to be equals 4 times 6, right? So, and if you do, we are going to have m equals log 24 here, we replace it with 4 times 6, then divided by, we have divided by log 4. So we have m equals, sorry, let's recall here that whenever we have log x times y, something like this, so this is equals log x plus log y. So if we apply this to this, we are going to have m equals, so we change this multiplication to addition, we have log 4 plus log 6 divided by log 4. And this simply means m equals, we take 4 divided by 4, and 6 divided by log 4 divided by log 4, and log 6 divided by log 4, right? So we have log 4 divided by log 4 plus log 6 divided by log 4. So this, we divide this and we equals 1. So we have m equals 1 plus log 6 divided by log 4. So here again, we can express 6 as the product of 3 and 2, right? And if we do, we are going to have our m to be equals 1 plus log 2 times 3. Either you use 3 times 2 or you use 3 and 2 times 3, you are going to get the same answer, divided by log 4. I explain so that this multiplication will change to addition from the law of logarithm. So we have m equals 1 plus log 2 for this plus log 3 divided by log 4, right? So we have m equals 1 plus log 2 plus log 3 divided by, 4 can be expressed as power of 2, right? So we express it as log 2 raised to power 2. So having done that, so we have m equals 1 plus log 2, right? Plus log 3, then divided by, from the power law of logarithm, you have 2, we come forward, you have 2 log 2, right? So we have m equals 1 plus, then we distribute this 2 log 2 to both log 2 and log 3. So we have log 2 divided by 2 log 2 plus log 3 divided by log 2 log 2 log 2. So we'll have m equals 1 plus, this log 2, we cancel this log 2, we'll be left with 1 divided by 2 plus log 3 divided by, so this one becomes log 4 back. So if we try to take this to this power, so we are going to have log 4. So let's first take the fraction of this. So we have m equals, the fraction of this is, the LCM is 2. So we have 1 in 2, that is 2. 2 times 1, we have 2, right? Plus 2 in 2, that is 1. 1 times 1, we have 1. So then we have plus log 3 divided by log 4. So now we have m equals 2 plus 1, that is 3 divided by 2 plus log 3 divided by log 4. But remember from the law of logarithm that wherever we have log x divided by log y, this is equals log x and base y. So applying this to the above, we have m equals 3 divided by 2, right? Plus log 3 in base 4. And we can say this is our answer. So you can actually check. So if this answer is correct, let's check. We have 4 raised to power m equals 24, right? So we have, if you substitute m to be equals 3 divided by 2 plus log 3 in base 4, we have 4 raised to power 3 divided by 2 plus log 3 in base 4 is equals 24. Let's see. So we have, wherever we have something like this, we have x raised to power y times x raised to power z. So this multiplication law of indices, when number with equal base are being multiplied, their power are added. So you can see y equals, this equals x raised to power y plus z. So if you apply it, you can just break this. So we have 4 raised to power 3 divided by 2 times 4 raised to power log 3 in base 4. So I want to check if this is equals 24. But let's remember that wherever we have x raised to power log y in base x, this is equals y, right? So this will cancel out this. So here you observe that this will cancel this. So we'll be left with what? With 3, right? So we have 4 raised to power 3 divided by 2 times 3. So we want to check if this is equals 24. Remember I said we can express 4 as the power of 2, so that we have 2 raised to power 2, right? So, and we have 2 raised to power 3 divided by 2, then times 3 here. We want to see if this is equals 24. So now, these 2, we cancel these 2. So we have 2 raised to power 3 times 3. So we want to see if this is equals 24. So now 2 raised to power 3 will give us 8 times 3 equals 24. I want to see. So and if you multiply 8 times 3 will give you 24. So that means that we have 24 equals 24. So therefore our M equals 3 divided by 2 plus log 3 in base 4 is valid and satisfy the equation that says 4 raised to power M is equals 24. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like and leave a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends and network. Do well to also subscribe to my channel to stay updated on my next video. Bye.